Being a successful indoor plant parent can be challenging, especially when it comes to succulents. The reason? Succulents need at least 4 hours of direct sunlight a day. Don't panic. The good news is some plants can adapt quite well to their new indoor environments. Understanding the conditions of a plant's natural habitat will help you find the perfect spot for your succulents indoors. We've all heard the terms bright, indirect, and low light, but what does it mean? It's simple. Bright or direct light means sunlight for part of the day without any shading, like a blind pulled up between a plant and window. Indirect or filtered light means the plant receives a few hours of sun per day through a thin curtain, and low light means the sunlight is blocked by decor or the area is away from a window. A great indoor succulent that loves indirect to low light is the genus Gasteria, an indigenous aloe-like succulent. It's commonly known as ox-tongue because of its long leaves with a rough texture. Mature Gasterias have tubular, curved flowers in winter, almost like little tummies. Hence their name is derived from the Latin word gaster, meaning stomach. Gasterias don't need much water, so make sure the soil dries out between watering. Another must-have indoor succulent is the Christmas cactus, a hybrid of Schlumbergera. It shows off beautiful, delicate flowers during our winters with thick, flattened segments in a chain-like structure. Schlumbergera are epiphytes from tropical rainforest in Brazil, so naturally they prefer regular watering and a humid environment with indirect or filtered light. The mistletoe cactus, or ripsalis, is great for indoors. In Mother Nature, they grow underneath huge tropical jungle trees. They have thin, trailing succulent leaves that make a striking display. These slow-growing plants thrive in humidity with regular watering and prefer indirect or filtered light and even low light. In addition to lighting and watering, the correct soil and feeding makes for happy indoor succulents. For Gasterias and the Christmas cactus, a commercial succulent mix will do the trick. You can even make your own with 3 parts potting soil mixed with 1 part coarse river sand. The mistletoe cactus likes a well-draining potting mix, and adding perlite and bark to the mix will allow for their roots to breathe. Feed your indoor succulents every 2 weeks with the liquid fertilizer, or every 6 weeks with the slow-release organic fertilizer. By understanding the natural habitat of your succulents and imitating those elements indoors, your indoor plants will remain healthy and happy in their newly chosen spots.